This blueprint sets up both the technical foundation and the business structure for a company to develop and scale for your eyes only as a commercial reality. 1. Core Concept Recap. User-centric data. All public and private user data lives on cloud servers, not on local devices. Devices portal, devices, laptops, desktops, TVs, phones are dumb terminals with screen, camera, processor, and networking. No storage, SSD, HDD, onboard. Facial recognition gateway. Camera scans the user's face, right pointing arrow verifies against cloud identity, right pointing arrow instantly fetches personalized data stream. Adaptive display pixels. Screen pixels render different projections for different viewer, visible only to their eyes. 2. Technology stack. A. Cloud infrastructure. High-performance servers, multi-regional data centers hosting user profiles. Zero Trust security architecture. Every request authenticated per user session. Data segmentation, hybrid storage, structured plus encrypted personal vaults. Low latency streaming, edge servers in 1G to ensure near instant sync, less than 10 milliseconds. Encryption, end-to-end quantum resistant encryption for all uploads, downloads. B. Facial identification system, biometric engine. Multi-layered facial recognition, 2D plus 3D plus infrared depth sensors. Continuous verification, device rechecks identity every few seconds. Fallback auth, voice plus iris scan as backup in case of poor visibility. C. Adaptive screen technology. Directional pixels, micro LED or holographic display with angle-specific light projection. Multi-viewer projection. Each viewer's line of sight tracked, right-pointing arrow pixels render separate images targeted to their eyes. Eye tracking sensors detect gaze direction for precision projection. Blank screen fallback. If no recognized user detected, right-pointing arrow screen shows black. D. Device architecture. Core components. High-resolution camera, facial plus iris tracking. Micro LED display with multi-angle projection. 5G, 6G and fiber optic network card, constant cloud sync. Lightweight CPU, GPU for rendering stream, no storage. Minimal OS, cloud-centric OS designed for instant boot into recognition mode. Universal portability, any device works for any user, instantly. 3. Development roadmap. Phase 1 research and prototyping. Build cloud server prototype with encrypted personal vaults. Partner with display manufacturers to develop directional micro LED displays. Develop AI-powered facial recognition SDK with continuous tracking. Prototype single-user blank screen projection. Phase 2 multi-user and device integration. Scale display to support multiple simultaneous personalized feeds. Integrate with consumer devices, smartphones, laptops, TVs. Conduct stress testing for latency, scalability, and privacy. Phase 3 citywide deployment in 1G. Establish public terminals in cafes, libraries, metro stations. Deploy 1G home devices, TVs, tablets, shared phones. Enforce citizen cloud registration for universal portability. 4. Manufacturing company blueprint. Company structure. R&D division. Display technology, micro LED, holographic projection. Biometric and AI systems, facial recognition, eye tracking. Cloud software development, data servers, encryption, streaming OS. Manufacturing division. Device assembly, terminals, TVs, mobile shells. Chip design, custom processors optimized for projection. Camera and sensor fabrication, 3D plus IR cameras, gaze sensors. Data center division. Edge server deployment across 1G. Cloud vault services for citizens. Quantum encryption and cybersecurity. Commercial division. Partnerships with hardware brands. Licensing adaptive display patents. Public-private partnership with 1G government. Compulsory citizen cloud IDs. Revenue streams. 1. Citizen subscription model, like utility bills. 2. Device sales and licensing to manufacturers. 3. Cloud storage tiers, basic free, premium paid. 4. Government contracts, public infrastructure integration. 5. Challenges and risk mitigation. Latency and bandwidth, requires ultra-fast 5G, 6G or fiber right pointing arrow build local data hubs. Privacy concerns, need transparent laws on how data is used and stored. Hardware costs, micro LED and holographic displays are expensive right pointing arrow gradual mass adoption. Cybersecurity risks, quantum encryption, AI anomaly detection, zero trust security. Public acceptance, must balance innovation with fears of surveillance. 6. Timeline estimate 10-year path. Years 1 to 2, research plus small-scale prototypes. Years 3 to 4, pilot program in select Vanchi districts like Madhe, Electrona and Thasam. Years 5 to 6, first consumer rollout, phones, laptops, billboards. Years 7 to 8, large-scale home TV adoption. Years 9 to 10, ubiquitous citywide presence, device-free lifestyle.